Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today's video is all about plants. What are the best flowering waterfall plants? Behind me, I've got a disappearing waterfall and stream, and I'm going to plant this up for the summer. So what I'm going to use, the big question, drum roll please, is Busy Lizzies, Impatiens or Impatiens, and this one's Impatiens Valeriana, Busy Lizzie or Touch Me Not. It's got a lovely bouquet of flowers all through the summer. It's fantastic. It's not winter hardy, so you don't treat them like a perennial. They just basically put them in as an annual and they'll give you summer colour all summer long. Now if you Google Impatiens in a pond, they are toxic, but these ones are not. There's thousands of different types, but this one, Impatiens Valeriana, is absolutely fine. I've grown it in fish ponds, wildlife ponds, garden waterfalls, all of a matter of different waterfalls and streams. So let's go over to the waterfall now and plant this one up. Stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. So here are two more fantastic flowering plants for waterfalls and streams. The purple one to my left is the common spotted orchid, and it's the most prolific wild orchid in the UK. There's lots in the UK around where I live. I often go dragonfly spotting at Paxton Pits, and there's a lot there in the meadows. So this time of the year, have a look through the meadows and you'll see these common spotted orchids. And also another one of my favourites just below me is Creeping Jenny, or Lysomachia numalaria aurea for the Latin junkies. This one is a fantastic plant. It grows in the wild, when I say in the wild, it's more of a garden plant. This particular one is actually cultivated for gardens. It's the Lysomachia numalaria, the green one, that grows in the wild. But this golden variety is more of a garden plant. But as you can see, it's got the same lovely, beautiful yellow flowers as the green one. The green one is a lot more prolific in growing. So if you've got a big garden, go for the green one. If you've got a small garden, or if you've got a patio pond or a small little waterfall like this one, you can plant this golden one, no problem at all. This is a fantastic plant. You can plant it all around the outside of your pond and it really gives it a real lovely pop in June. So there's a couple of the best flowering plants for ponds and water features. So my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Put it in the comments section below. What is your favourite flowering waterfall plant or pond plant, whatever you like? Next week I'm going to be doing a video on water lilies. So stay tuned for next week.